How to log into Wells Fargo online banking. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from Help Deck, and in today's video I'll show you how you can log in or sign into your Wells Fargo online banking. Now keep in mind that I'm saying online banking and not mobile banking. If you want to log in from your mobile app, then it's called mobile banking, but if you want to log in from online or through the web browser, then it's called online banking. So you have to keep that in mind. And what you have to do is, in order to log into our Wells Fargo online banking, go ahead and open up your browser and go to the official page of Wells Fargo, that is wellsfargo.com over here. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box, so just go ahead and check that out. Make sure you go to wellsfargo.com and you'll see this kind of interface as you could see over here. Now what you have to do is tap on the sign on button, which you see on the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the sign on button, it will take us to the login page. Now if you've not already activated online banking, you have to go ahead and activate it first of all, because in order to sign in you have to have the online banking with you. For that, you can also watch our other video and just enter your username, your password, and if you're not sure what you've typed in, you could see the I button. Tap on the save username button and just tap on the sign on button, as you could see. But let's say that you forgot your username or password to your online banking credentials, you could also tap on forgot username or password button over here and just go ahead and reset them in that way respectively. But basically, to log in you have to go to wellsfargo.com and tap on the sign in or sign on button, and that's all it takes to log in or sign into your Wells Fargo online banking account. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and if you've got any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.